Let's fix it. Search for run. Click it. Type the following text services.msc. Click it. Scroll down and search for Battle services. Right click it. Click properties and make sure the product type should be in manual or automatic and service status should be in running. Click apply and OK. Once complete data, restart it. Close it and the next step, open up Stream, click library, click the game, right click it, click properties. Here install file is tab. Click it and click browse. Click TSA game, binary, Win64. Right click the application, click properties, click compatibility and make sure the disable full screen automation run the program as administrator. Both should be in enable mode. Once complete after close it and the next verify integrity file is tab. Click it. It will take time. And the next step, go to properties, click install file, click browse once more, TSA game binary, Win64, Battle. Right click the install Battle. It should run like this. It is installing in background. Once complete after close it, open up settings, open app, install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're not having the updated version, means go to the official website of Microsoft and download and install the updated version of Microsoft Visual C++, both 64 and 86-bit. After that, if you already have, means you need to click the three dot icon and modify and repatch. After completing this, close it and restart it.